The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Calhoun County in southwestern Illinois, southeastern Jersey County in southwestern Illinois, southwestern Macoupin County in southwestern Illinois, northwestern Madison County in southwestern Illinois, southeastern Lincoln County, northern St. Charles County, until 4:45 p.m. At 4:04 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line from New Jerseyville to over Fountain and Lakes, or along the line from New Jerseyville to 6 miles east of Troy, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and small hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include O'Fallon, St. Charles, St. Peters, Woodsville, Alton, Hazelwood, Godfrey, Lake St. Louis, Garden Prairie, Jerseyville, Cotlerville, St. Paul, Brighton, Bunker Hill, Grafton, Elsa, West Alton, Josephville, Portage, Des Sioux, and Orchard Farms. This includes Interstate 70 in Missouri between exits 209 and 227. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. These storms are capable of producing damaging winds. Severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect.